My Cheney criteria, as I've discussed them, have almost all of them all weighed in favor of a heavier sentence. It always weighs heavily on me when I have a young man in front of me, young defendant in front of me, man or woman, when I go through the numbers, as it were, and I conclude that sentence must be on the longer end of the scale when I pick up the pieces and put them on one end of the scale or another, and it tips in one way, and I've done that here, and they tip in favor of a long sentence. I also, as I said, I reviewed my prior sentences, and the times when I went way to the end, they were crimes that were distinguishable from this one in their degree of either premeditation, deliberateness, or meanness, as it were. And I declined to accept the state's urging to sentence Mr. Almeda at the far end of the range, and I also declined the defendant's urging for a sentence that in my mind would release Mr. Almeda at a point in time where I'd be worried about his dangerousness, and one that would, in my mind, not reflect the seriousness of the crime and the seriousness of his situation and his risk. I therefore sentence Mr. Almeda to 75 years flat. As I said, I declined to issue any restrictions on his parole eligibility. He, of course, will be credited for time served